Today on NDTV Swirlster, we are here with Urmi Bhatia of Me Ikigai. We are at the Script by Godrej and Boys store for the Script Huddle event. Thank you for meeting us and speaking to us today, Urmi.
Thank you for having me.
So, first off, what brought about your collaboration with the Script Huddle event today?
So I love the store. I love how how minimalistic, classy their philosophy is. Their freedom of living philosophy connects with me because I really like the freedom of expression that you get with this kind of a look. I mean, look at their products, and the store is so beautiful, warm, and still classy and timeless.
Okay. What made you follow this unique path that you've chosen of creating paper floral decor?
So I'm a second generation crafter, like I like to call it. I've learned this art from my mother, Indira Shah. She's been a teacher, a craft and art teacher for 30 years, and we've just every summer this is what we would do. We would wake up, watch her teach. So I guess it's just in the blood, so to say.
So tell us a little more about how you came onto this path of yours.
So mom used to run these craft classes at home, and there would be from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. there would be various women walking in to home to learn different kind of art, and that's where we started with mom. So my first class that I took was at 15, and I was assisting my mother at that point of time, and I worked until I had my older child. I just picked up and started Me Ikigai 3 years ago. So it was for I think I was missing the creating bit in my life, and so that's where it all came from.
Do you think that today, when things are becoming increasingly digital, that the craft that you've chosen of paper as its center element is even more valuable?
I think it is. I think, and that's the reason I teach as well, because to meet strangers in an environment, where you're learning something, you're creating something, and that brings about a great community feeling. So yes, I think it's very valuable because we have to learn to disconnect from this world of Instagram and likes and social media. I think it's very important to at least take some time out and disconnect and learn a new skill, just to even if just to be stress free.
Okay. And what has sparked flowers specifically as your inspiration for your?
I guess that's the first thing I learned from my mother, and that's why I carry it on. And of course, nature. I'm a big nature lover. I love being out in the open skies, greenery, flowers. So I guess that's where it came from.
And to finish off, do tell us a few simple tips for our viewers to decorate their home.
So I think every home can have beautiful nooks and corners with whatever that we have. Old books, whether they are from your own childhood or your children's books, old encyclopedias, gather them up, add some candles and laces to that, and I think you're set. Even coffee beans with candles is a great combination. Just normal stuff that we have at home. We kind of put them away, but bring them into your everyday life. Jam jars, for instance, mason jars, for instance, bring them into your everyday life. I think that works great.
Thank you very much, Urmi, and all the very best.
Thank you for having me.